My name is Milo. I'm from the Abilene, Texas area. I work for Dr. Patterson at the Restore Wellness Center, and I'm here in Miami at Health Gains. Went to the Health Gains Strategic Growth Workshop. It was very helpful to me. I think it's going to give us a lot of tools to use to better our practice for Restore Wellness Center and for Restore for Men and for Dr. Patterson. I appreciate what Dr. Santa presented, and appreciate what Mark is doing here with Gainswave and Health Gains, and the work that they're doing to help the practitioners better their practice. I think it's going to be very helpful to us, and I enjoyed their humble, sincere approach to the whole thing, and just enjoyed the experience and learned a lot.